Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Canon EOS R10 is probably one of the most exciting and capable APS-C mirrorless cameras to hit the market in recent years, packing incredible autofocus, impressive video features, and a compact, lightweight body that makes it perfect for everything from everyday vlogging to serious travel photography, all without breaking the bank. Number 5. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Vlogging Camera. Introducing a compact and lightweight camera designed for creators. It features a 24.2 megapixel sensor and a powerful Digic X processor to bring your visions to life. Record breathtaking uncropped 4K movies at up to 30 frames per second, oversampled from 6K. It also offers full HD high frame rate recording up to 120 frames per second, perfect for dynamic storytelling. Experience lightning-fast autofocus with dual-pixel CMOS AF2. Its advanced subject detection and tracking for people, animals, and vehicles ensures you never miss a moment. Capture action with incredible speed. Enjoy continuous shooting at 12 frames per second with the electronic first curtain or an impressive 15 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Don't let challenging lighting conditions hold you back. Advanced A+ assist and a built-in flash help you achieve great shots, even in dark or backlit scenes. Easily connect to your smartphone to transfer content and control your camera remotely. Sharing your creations has never been simpler. What we like. This camera offers incredible detail with its 24.2 MP sensor and oversampled 4K video. Its advanced subject tracking is perfect for capturing fast-moving action or wildlife. If you are looking for a versatile camera that excels in both stills and video with intelligent autofocus, this is a fantastic choice for aspiring creators. What people say. The image quality is excellent thanks to its 24.2 megapixels, and the 4K video is sharp and smooth, perfect for creating high-quality content without complications. The autofocus is very fast and accurate, even while moving, and the subject detection and tracking feature has been amazing when filming on the go or with more people in a frame. Plus, it's a lightweight and compact camera, making it super easy to carry anywhere. Number 4. Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Camera Kit. Experience superb image clarity and detail with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor. Capture stunning photos with natural bokeh, bringing your subjects to life. This compact and lightweight camera is designed for excellent mobility. It's the smallest and lightest in its series, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. Equipped with a powerful Digic 8 image processor, it enhances shooting functionality and 4K video capabilities. It's a great starting point for those new to mirrorless cameras. Record stunning HD video at up to 120 frames per second, or full HD at 60 frames per second. It also offers 4K video recording up to 24 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for videography. Its advanced autofocus system covers a wide area with human face and eye detection. Enjoy modern AF for both stills and video, including animal and vehicle detection. Continuously capture action at up to 6.5 shots per second. This ensures you never miss the perfect moment, whether for photos or video. What we like. This camera delivers excellent image quality with its 24.1 MP sensor in a remarkably compact and lightweight body. It's an affordable entry into the EOS R system, making it ideal for beginners or those who prioritize portability. If you are just starting with mirrorless cameras or need a travel-friendly option without breaking the bank, this is the one for you. What people say. The Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic camera for beginners and intermediate photographers. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it a great choice for travel and everyday use. The autofocus system on the EOS R10 is incredibly fast and accurate, tracking subjects with ease. This is a huge advantage for capturing sharp images of moving subjects. The image quality from the EOS R10 is excellent, with vibrant colors and great detail. The camera performs well in low light conditions, producing clean images with minimal noise. Number 3. Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Camera. Introducing the Canon EOS R10, the smallest and lightest camera in the EOS R series. It's designed for ultimate portability and affordability, making content creation easier than ever. Capture breathtaking photos with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Combined with the Digic 8 image processor, it delivers exceptional detail and clarity in every shot. Experience precise and fast focusing with dual-pixel CMOS AF. It covers up to 143 zones and features auto-subject detection, including eye detection AF with servo AF for sharp results. Never miss a beat with continuous shooting capabilities of up to 6.5 shots per second. This ensures you can capture fast-moving action with ease. Beyond photos, it also excels at video. Record in full HD or even 4K, bringing your stories to life with cinematic quality. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Easily transfer your creations and share them with the world, anytime, anywhere. What we like. Experience high image quality with its 24.1 MP sensor in a very compact and lightweight design. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing your content a breeze. If you prioritize ease of use, portability, and seamless connectivity for social media, this camera is an excellent companion for everyday content creation. What people say. It's so light and compact that the thought of getting larger and longer lenses on this would make it look really silly. Its continuous shooting mode is fast enough to capture some horseback riding during the Ren Fair, and I captured my wife's arrow mid-flight, although blurry, at 1:4000 when we participated in archery. The GUI is so beginner-friendly and explains what each mode does, manual aperture priority etc. It actually helped me understand what each is used for, so my wife took plenty of pictures with the right settings quickly. The autofocus performance is so impressive that it's enticing my wife to get one for herself. Number 2. Weewooday Kids Eyeglass Strap. Tired of your child's glasses slipping down their nose? Our eyeglass straps are designed to keep them securely in place, no matter the activity. Featuring a non-slip design, these holders ensure that sunglasses and eyeglasses stay put. Say goodbye to constant readjustments. Made for active kids, these retainers are both comfortable to wear and built to last. They're perfect for everyday use. Whether it's playtime or an outdoor adventure, these straps provide peace of mind. Your child's eyewear will remain safe and sound. This pack includes 6 eyeglass straps, offering great value and ensuring you always have a spare. Keep multiple pairs of glasses secure. What we like. These eyeglass straps provide a secure and comfortable fit for your eyewear. The non-slip design ensures your glasses stay in place during any activity. If you often find yourself worrying about dropping your glasses or sunglasses, especially during sports or outdoor adventures, these retainers are a must-have accessory. What people say. These keep them from falling off their head, and the designs and colors are cute so they can match their outfits. These were perfect to keep my 8-year-old from misplacing his glasses. They were comfortable and did not aggravate him either. These straps are a lifesaver and my granddaughter loves them. Very soft on her ears. Number 1. KNF Concept LP-E17 Battery 3-Slot Charger. Never miss a moment with this multi-pack of replacement batteries. They provide extended shooting time for your camera, ensuring you have power when you need it most. This charging set is designed to work with a wide range of compatible camera models. It's the perfect power solution for your photography needs. Efficiently charge up to 3 batteries at once with the upgraded 3-slot charger. The smart LCD screen keeps you informed of the charging status. Power up your charger using various sources like a wall adapter, power bank, or laptop. Its dual input ports offer convenient and flexible charging anywhere. Rest assured with our certified design, offering multiple layers of protection. It ensures the safety of your device and batteries during every charge. This package includes everything you need: 3 high-capacity batteries, a 3-slot charger, and a USB-C charging cable for immediate use. What we like. Never run out of power with this convenient pack that includes 3 high-capacity batteries and a multi-slot charger. It's designed for extended shooting sessions and offers broad compatibility with various Canon EOS R and M series cameras. If you're a frequent traveler or a content creator who needs reliable power for long shoots, this battery and charger combo is an essential accessory. What people say. The Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic camera for beginners and enthusiasts alike, offering excellent image quality and a user-friendly interface. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel and everyday shooting, while the advanced autofocus system ensures sharp and clear photos every time. The R10 boasts a fast burst shooting rate, allowing you to capture action shots with ease, and its vari-angle touchscreen provides flexibility for various shooting angles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.